Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where innovation meets excitement. Today, you're about to experience something that feels like it's been teleported straight from the future. The 2025 Amazing Luxury Futuristic Bus in London. Get ready, because this is not your average city bus. First off, the design is absolutely breathtaking. With a smooth aerodynamic body, digital displays integrated into the sides, and a full-length glass roof that bathes the entire cabin in natural light. It feels like stepping into a luxury spaceship. London has always been iconic for its red buses, but this is a game-changer. Inside, the bus is a masterpiece. Think premium leather seats that adjust electronically, individual entertainment screens, and customizable climate controls for every passenger. There's even a scent system that subtly changes fragrances based on the time of day, creating a relaxing environment whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a night on the town. Of course, this futuristic beast is fully electric. Powered by next-generation solid-state batteries, it offers a range that's unheard of in public transport. And it can recharge to 80% in less than 20 minutes. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and completely silent, making London's busy streets a little calmer and a lot cleaner. But what really sets it apart is the technology packed inside. Augmented reality windows allow you to explore your surroundings with a simple touch. Advanced AI monitors traffic and adjusts routes in real time to avoid congestion. And for added convenience, there's a built-in personal assistant system. Think Alexa, but smarter and specifically designed for your journey. Security and safety are also top tier. Facial recognition for secure boarding, real-time passenger counting, emergency AI-driven response systems, and fully autonomous driving capabilities under certain conditions make this bus not only luxurious, but incredibly safe. Even the driver's cabin is futuristic. Though many of these buses will eventually be driver-optional, the cockpit looks like the command center of a spaceship, with holographic displays, voice-activated controls, and panoramic vision screens. London is clearly setting a new standard for urban travel. And if this is a glimpse into the future, I think we're all in for a treat. It's a powerful message. Transportation doesn't just have to be functional, it can be beautiful, intelligent, and sustainable too. Thank you for watching Honest Auto Wheels. If you're as amazed by this futuristic bus as I am, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing automotive updates, and let me know in the comments. Would you ride on this luxury bus of the future? Stay tuned, because the future of transportation has only just begun.